Ever wondered how to find the right windshield repair technician? It's an important question. After all, a chipped or cracked windshield is not just an eyesore, it's a safety hazard. But never fear. Today we're going to guide you through the process. Firstly, start by understanding the importance of a professional repair. A windshield is not merely a window, but an integral part of your vehicle's structure. It's crucial to ensure that the person handling your repair is a professional who understands this. Next, do your research. Begin by asking trusted friends or family members for recommendations. If they've had a good experience with a windshield repair technician, they'll be happy to share their insights. Online reviews can also be a valuable resource, offering a broader perspective. Look for technicians with high ratings and positive feedback. Consider also the technician's experience and qualifications. How long have they been in the business? Do they have any certifications to prove their competence? Don't shy away from asking these questions. It's your right as a car owner to know who's working on your vehicle. Location can also be a factor. A local technician will not only be more convenient, but they'll also understand the specific weather conditions and driving challenges in your area. Once you've narrowed down your options, get a quote. The cost of windshield repair can vary, so it's wise to compare prices. But remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best. You need to weigh the cost against the quality of the service. Finally, take a look at the warranty offered. A reputable technician will stand by their work and offer a guarantee. This will give you peace of mind knowing that if anything goes wrong, you're covered. So, to summarize, finding the right windshield repair technician involves understanding the importance of professional repair, doing your research, considering experience and qualifications, taking into account location, getting a quote, and checking the warranty. Remember, your windshield is more than just a piece of glass. It's a crucial part of your vehicle's safety system. So, when it comes to repair, don't settle for less. Seek out a professional who will treat your car with the care it deserves. After all, when it comes to your safety and your vehicle's longevity, it's worth taking the time to find the right person for the job.